Hello, I'm CG Yin. This is a quick video to show how to open PSD file online using Photopea. This is a Photoshop file that I made before with Adobe Photoshop. If you want to open PSD file online without Adobe Photoshop, we can use Photopea. Now I go to internet browser and then type the website photopea.com and press enter to enter Photopea. Now we can see that Photopea is a free online photo editor. We can use it for free. I click it. Now if you want to open PSD file, we can go to File and Open. And we can go to the file location. For example, I go to here. And we can choose the PSD file. And then press Open to open it. Alternative, we can go to File folder. We can directly drag and drop into Photopea to open PSD file. So the PSD file is opened, and then we can go to layers. We can find all the layers created in Photoshop. For example, we can go to the text layer. We can make a further editing. I select the text tool, the type tool, and then we can select the text. I delete it, and then we can type nice to make editing. So this is how we can open PSD file online using Photopea. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Yin. See you in the next video. Bye bye.